guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this look right here. So if you want to know how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Go ahead and just prime my face. I already moisturized my face. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Fit Me foundation, the dewy one. And this is in the shade 315 Soft Honey. I will also link everything that I'm using, all the products that I will be using, I will be linking down below so that would make it easier just in case I don't name something and I forget to. But I also trying to find my concealer because I have everything just set up right here and it was right in my face. Right in my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the e.l.f. concealer, the 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm using the medium beige. Again, I like to go a little bit lighter than my foundation because I like to highlight with it. So, yep. Let me go ahead. Awesome. So I went ahead and conceal this little face, Z face. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and set the foundation and the concealer. Again, I'm going in with the RCMA No Color Powder. Can you see that? There's so much reflection on this light. Yes, I'm going in with that one. Okay, so I went ahead and set the face. I didn't honestly bake too much because, like I said, I'm a dry person and baking just kind of dries me out. So I didn't really bake, but I just set the face with the powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Anastasia contour kit. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my little e.l.f. brush. Yeah, and I normally get these two shades. So I just mix them. I just go ahead and just like pinch it a little bit. And I already have big cheekbones. Thank you, mother. Right? Blessed with, which is weird because she doesn't even have cheekbones. So I don't even know who to think actually. She really doesn't have cheekbones. So actually, that's actually true. She really doesn't. My sister doesn't either. My little sister, I think she does. But I don't even know. Maybe my dad's size? So thank you, Dad. I don't know. But yeah. I was blessed with cute cheekbones. Yes. Look at this. Already cute. So yeah, just contour the cheekbone, and I do the line like this, and then I just blend it out. Yeah. And then again, my double chin. But hey, I'm working on it. Okay, I'm on this detox. There's a 12-day detox, so I'll link also those videos down below. I'm doing a whole like vlogging my experience on how that's working, and so far so good because I'm losing the double chin. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my highlight, and this is in the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan. Do that, and I like to do my highlight before my my blush because I want the blush to blend in. or the highlight to blend in, and I don't want to be like a streaky line. So I like to do that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlight first. So even if I drag it down a little bit, I'm sure it will. The blush will actually cover it. So if I overdid it, you can never have too much highlight, but you know, just a little. And then I'll pinch it a little bit like this, get a little bit more, and just take it down the bridge of my nose. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with this blush, luminous loose blush. This is from Studio Makeup. I got this in one of my Boxy Charms. I also will start doing, hopefully can do like Boxy Charm unboxing videos. I can definitely do those as well. So hopefully I'll start recording those, because I mean, me personally, I like to know what I'm getting before I get it. But I've noticed that not everyone gets the same thing, which is, sometimes I'm like, oh, I wanted that. Like, I think they had like one video where, or not one video, but one box where they gave like a little straightener. I was like low-key so angry. I was like, why didn't I get the straightener, right? And my best friend got the straightener, so I was like, oh, this, I'm gonna need you to give me that straightener. But of course, I don't really need it since I have I have straight hair, but she has curly hair, so whatever. Anyways, so hopefully I can do the unboxing videos and see how that goes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this blush, and just a little bit because it's a little pigmented. Well, not too much, but, and I'm gonna just swirl it on the tapa, on the cap. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that, and then use the tapa or the cap, whatever, the cap, and just lightly put the blush on. Like this. Okay. I hope you can see how it blends in, like the highlight and the blush blends just in. That's that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, but I will do these off camera because they take forever. So yes, I will do these off camera, and I'll be right back. No me queda más que perderme en un abismo de tristeza y lágrimas. No me queda más que aguantarme mi derrota y brindarte felicidad. No me queda más. Oh my god, I need to stop. Oh my goodness, I cracked myself up. Okay, so I'm back, guys. I went ahead and did my eyebrows. I can't move. But whatever. Anyways, so okay, so went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera, and I also added this little, what's it called? ¿Cómo se llama? Oh, yes. Esto. I added the brow gal Tanya Crocs, the instant brow hair tinted brow gel with microfibers. I added this on my eyebrows. Okay, so then I'm gonna go ahead and now move on to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and use my James Charles palette, Morphe palette. I'm gonna use that one. Just kidding, James Charles palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use the James Charles palette. Yes. Okay, so I don't know what kind of look I want to do today. I kind of want to go for a bold look because I'm always doing natural looks, and I don't know. It's not like I'm going anywhere special, but you know, you never know. A ver si me miro al Sancho allá afuera. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. Oh my gosh. Okay, so then I probably will start with this shade right here. Is this one? No sé cómo se llama, so we'll figure that out together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in with that shade. Oh my god, look. Do it again, look. So pigmented. Okay, so, and I'll just add that all over the lid. That's my transition color. I don't know how to sing. I would sing for y'all, but I don't. Okay, so I'm taking this all in the lid. I'm gonna speed through this eye because I have to have my thing like assy. Okay. Then I wanna probably go in with this shade right here. So next to this one is this one. So go in with that one. Let me see how that looks. Let me just use the same brush. I don't know what brush this is. It's a Morphe brush, but I don't know. It came in like a little pack. Okay, so, and I'm taking this in my outer corner here.
I want to put it in the inner corner too, a little bit, not too much, but because I will do a little bit of highlighting in the corner. Yeah, so far. Like that. And a little bit more. Yeah. Choose something.
Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here and add that on do my bottom lash and then decide to see if I want to do an eyeliner. A wing liner. So let's smoke it out. I like to take it down a little lower than normal, so I can really get into that and like smoke it out. Like, you see the difference? Okay, and then I'm going in with the next shade, and just applying that. Accents. And I'm applying it more inside or more like on my lash line. Okay, so I added a little bit of this one. Okay, so I use this one too. So I use this one, and then this one, but I added this one, and this one to my lid. My under eye. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that one. Like that. Just okay. Let me smooth this one out. Perfect. Oh. Okay. So, hey you guys. So I went ahead and did my liner off camera. I did decide to go ahead and do eyeliner because I feel like it looked a little too plain. So I went ahead and did that, and I feel like now I want to smoke out a little bit more the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. No, maybe this one here, and a little bit of the black to see how that goes. Since the top of my eyes are a little dark, so okay, I'm gonna do a little bit of black. There you go. So I also put a little bit of highlight on the inner corners. Yeah, I just use the same highlight that I've been using on my face, the Pretty Vulgar one. But like I said, I will link everything down below in the description box of what I've used, all the products that I've used. But so far so good. Let me go ahead and put on my lipstick and a little bit of mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some mascara. I'm gonna do the mascara first, and I'm using the IT Cosmetics Superhero mascara. So I'm using this one. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lipstick, and I applied mascara. I went ahead and applied mascara, and I used the IT Superhero mascara, and then I applied some lipstick, but I kind of mixed two together. So this one I used the Miami Fever one. This is the Ofra Cosmetics Miami Fever, and then I also used, where did it go? The Ofra Verona lipstick. I mixed both of them. Oh, wrong one. I mixed both of them together. So I put the Verona one on top, at the bottom, and then the Miami Fever I like had it in a little bit. So I did like this. So yeah, I want to say that completes the look. Okay, so that completes the looks, guys. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.